What's up, guys? This is MG. It's been so long, so I'm gonna play this game. So, guys, let's start. I'm gonna listen to the music. I don't know if it's gonna be copyrighted. So, guys, I'm gonna play a game that's on the phone. You guys can send this. There's the name. So, let's start. Look, I'm on the. Okay. So, guys, I know it's been so long since I recorded. So, yeah, I'm getting up better games, sending better games. So, yeah, guys, let's start.
Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game.
Okay, guys.
The match has begun.
I'm just gonna scroll. Go.
Knocks it towards to the front.
Okay.
Looking for options.
Okay.
Pushing it forward.
I'm gonna play tiki-taka with him.
Square pass. A wasted opportunity. It would have been a decent
offside,
chance
guys.
for offside. Making the free kick.
So, guys, if you guys like this video, you guys can
Movement and a decent
subscribe.
position here.
Peace.